And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 216. Let me show you the diffuse glow. We go to filter, filter gallery. You'll find it under the distort folder. It's the first option. See that here, it gives you a nice glow. First up, let us check the graininess. And I zoom in for that. It simply adds the typical noise. In our specific case, I'm going to go down with it, so I keep it to 0. Then we have the glow amount. This is, simple terms, the intensity of the glow. And then we have the clear amount, which controls how much of the original image will remain sharp or unaffected. So if you go high, more details will be preserved. If you go low, the result will be more soft. And this is how you can use the diffuse glow in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.